Managing social media consistently can be challenging for busy store owners. Creating content, posting on multiple platforms, and keeping up with a regular posting schedule often takes time and effort. Missing posts can lead to lower engagement and missed opportunities to connect with customers. SchedulSmart AI auto post solves this problem by helping merchants create, schedule, and automate your social media marketing from Shopify. Connecting your social accounts is simple. Link Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and YouTube, then manage everything from one dashboard. Create posts in just a few clicks. Add your content, upload images or videos, and choose the social platforms where you want to publish. You can post instantly using Post Now or schedule content for a future date and time. With SchedulSmart Analytics, you can easily track your social media performance in one place. Monitor total posts, engagement, reach, and platform activity through a simple dashboard. The app also lets you display Instagram feeds and Reels directly on your Shopify store. Showcase your latest social content, increase engagement, and keep your storefront fresh with customizable layouts and styling options that match your brand. Setup is simple and requires no coding. Simply install the app, connect your social media accounts, create your content, and schedule your posts. SchedulSmart will automatically publish them at the right time, helping you stay active and consistent across your social channels. Try SchedulSmart AI Auto Post today and simplify your social media marketing.